But you are so confused to see Minister of Rwanda in coming comedy.
Yeah.
Oh, why?
I was very confused because you see, in most cases, I'm being honest with you. Politicians don't usually go for our events, especially the youth, if they are not benefiting. But I was very happy to see that the minister has come through so that we can benefit from him. It is a two-way thing. I was very, very happy and excited to see him come for the show tonight.
Okay, hi.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Yep.
What's your name?
Okelo all the way from Uganda straight to Rwanda, Kigali. It's been exciting. Yep.
How do you feel today and what time is it coming in Gents Comedy?
This is my first time. I feel very good. I'm excited. The citizens are amazing. It's my first time at Gen Z's, but it's not my first time in Rwanda. This is my 7th time in Rwanda.
Oh.
Yeah, so I've had an amazing time in Rwanda.
It's first time you come in Gents.
Yeah, it's my first time in Gen Z.
Yeah. Your performance was good. So, but you said that in Rwanda they say you are coming from in South Africa,
Sudan.
South Sudan, but you come in Uganda.
Yeah, I come from Uganda. Sometimes people mistake me to be from South Sudan because of my height, because of my skin complexion. Yeah, that is my first thing. I'm usually not surprised when people think I'm from South Sudan.
Okay.
Because my original origin is actually South Sudan.
So how do you see Rwandans?
I think Rwandans are good. I'm going to even base on past experiences. Rwanda is an amazing country. It's they have very nice people, very hospitable. I've been here since yesterday. They have taken good care of me, so I don't think I can complain about Rwanda.
Okay, yes, man.
Thank you.
So what do you think you're gonna stay in Rwanda which in a long time?
Yeah, I would. I've ever stayed in Rwanda for like a week, and it was an amazing time. There are nice sites to visit and all that. So I think the next time I come through, I'm going to stay a little bit longer.
Where did you visit in Rwanda?
I think the first time I visited, I came to Rwanda, I went to Gisenyi. That's why I can pronounce it very well. Then the convention center is amazing. The lighting and everything.
Okay, so the first time you come in Gents Comedy, then your performance was good, was so amazing.
Thank you.
Okay, so why do you choose to come in Rwanda, and which things basically they make you come in Rwanda?
Why I chose to come to Rwanda is I already have a lot of friends. Like I told you earlier on, Rwandese people are very friendly. Straight from Uganda, I have Rwandese friends. Then in Kigali as well, I have Rwandese friends. They are very, very friendly. So if there is any country to choose to go and visit, it's usually Rwanda is like top of my ground.
But you are so confused to see Minister of Rwanda in coming comedy.
Yeah.
Oh, why?
I was very confused because you see, in most cases, I'm being honest with you. Politicians don't usually go for our events, especially the youth, if they are not benefiting. But I was very happy to see that the minister has come through so that we can benefit from him. It is a two-way thing. I was very, very happy and excited to see him come for the show tonight.
Can you summarize the life of Rwanda, like in comedy?
Yeah.
In Uganda, this is your job, or what did you do in Uganda?
In Uganda, I am a stand-up comedian full-time. I'm a film actor full-time, and I'm also a script writer, TV script writer. I can summarize Rwanda in very few words. One, Rwanda is an amazing country. It's an hospitable country. It's a very welcoming country, and it's a country with a lot of features to visit. Yeah.
So can you give me the difference between this comedy and the different in Uganda, the comedy? The different things you see in this comedy.
I think this comedy is very, Gen Z is very, very promising. It's extremely promising, but the truth is it's very hard to compare it with Uganda because Uganda's comedy industry has been there for a longer period of time. But I appreciate Gen Z because their growth has been overwhelming in a very short period of time. So I think the audience is growing. I think the audience is great. I am also happy that maybe in future we'll even have a wider English comedy base within Rwanda. Yep.
Okay. So do you think all all these people come in Gen Z, they understand what you're talking about? Or do you
No, I am being very honest. The first time I came to Rwanda, I performed at a French night. Then the next time I came, it was a Rwanda night. And then the next time, subsequently I came, I was performing on English nights. But one thing, Rwanda is a multilingual country. So sometimes you don't, because there are very many other performers, you don't expect everybody to understand English, because there are people who are very good with French, there are people who are very good with Kinyarwanda, then there are those who are very good with Kinyarwanda, French and English. So I can't lie to you, but the feedback is good.
Okay. So can you give the people like advice, the people think to come in Jen's comedy or to see comedy, I waste time?
Yeah, it is not a waste of time. I advise people to usually come and support, because when they come to Gen Z, they are not only supporting the show, they are employing other people. All the comedians you see on stage, it is also encouraging when you come for a show and there is a good audience. So I appeal to all the Rwandese, non-Rwandese, whoever is staying within Kigali, out of Kigali, whenever you get time, please come through for the Gen Z comedy show.
Okay, thanks for your time and
Thank you
appreciate
so much as well. Asante.
So